What's up guys, I'm Jonathan, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the shoulder roll. Now this trick is going to be entirely in the vertical plane, and there's two prerequisites you're going to want to know. The first one being the reverse vertical figure eight, and the second one is the forward vertical figure eight. Now once you're comfortable with those, you're going to take the reverse vertical figure eight, and you're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, and on that second beat, just toss it straight up. And you're going to want to try to toss it about shoulder level, since it's going over your shoulders. So 1, 2, toss. And once you're comfortable with that, instead of tossing it straight up, you're going to try to toss it in kind of an arch. That way you can pass it off to your second hand, and then you're going to catch it with the forward vertical. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, toss, 1, 2. 1, 2, toss, 1, 2. Now once you're comfortable with that, you're going to take that arch and move it from in front of you, and you're going to put it on your shoulders. So it'll go 1, 2, toss, 1, 2, 1, 2, toss, 1, 2. And an easy way to drill that is exactly what I was just doing. You're going to go from over your shoulders to behind your back. That way you can just keep resetting and keep throwing it over your shoulders. I don't think I need to put this in here. One thing I like about the shoulder roll is there's a bunch of different ways you can get into it. Like I said, you could do the reverse figure eight and get into it. You could be doing the buzz saw and get into it. You could do a vertical pinch and throw it over your shoulders. You could do the around the world and just toss it over. Basically what I'm saying is there's a bunch of different ways you could throw this trick into your flow, and it's so smooth, it's so clean, it's easy, it looks really nice. A quick recap, the easiest way to do it is the reverse figure eight. You can go 1, 2, 1, 2, toss, 1, 2. 1, 2, toss, 1, 2. And from the back it'll look like this. So that's how you do the shoulder roll. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one.